I decided since we haven't done a video on this channel for almost forever, I might do is have a quick tour of the room. So here's the room. It's kind of near the end of this hallway here. But come in, we have this first sign over here. Cops say we are, And here I come in. Not a bad room. Got storage over here, some stuff. Got some tools over there. Gun box over here. That half of it's empty. Got some more words and stuff up here. Kind of some more else kind of things. Our All-Star from Rocket City Regional. High Rookie. Back this one is High Rookie from the Houston Championship. And then the Rookie All-Star from Rocket City again. Same year now as the original, or regionals, same year. And that one is the international. So we got regionals, categories, or symbol type thing. Not much in here. It's kind of empty. We used to have a bunch of stuff there, then we kind of incorporated this again. Pretty sure campers and we're down here at one point. Not anymore. Or then we go from there. I got some stuff there. Oh, zip ties and zip tie drawer. Okay, apparently that goes in first aid. So that was kind of fun trying to find stuff from sleep. Get some arrangement in here. We got some flashlights, tape, and plasters and stuff. Got some marking tools and that type of stuff. Get some more fasteners in here, it looks like. And zip ties. No medicals, no first aid stuff in there. That's over there. Sanding stuff. Both used to be power cords in here. Got more. And more zip ties. And lanyards and miscellaneous documentary stuff. Lego stuff from FL there. We got 2 3D printers. Do you have 2 or 3 3D printers? So we have 2 on. I think we have 3 at one point. We have 2 right now. Some in there. Hand sanitizer. Transfer card for robot events. These ramps we got for the. I think it was original. Trying to get stuff to originals on the. I think that was for the Huntsville trip. Or the. Yeah, so choose one. Here's some their cart we have for its FLL, I think again. Bumpers back there. Got some other stuff. And here's our FLL stuff over here. That's I think sorry, not all of it. I think down there is FLL. And this cart, same thing, I believe. Yeah, this is FRC. Never mind. And up here comes various tools, chop saw, vice grip, and there's some. I think one of these containers might be for the FRC field or FLL field. Sorry. The rest of that's just various parts and stuff. And we got these 3 toolboxes. I think only the middle one really had much stuff in it. That far one knows how much, and I think it's empty. First aid kit, which the good thing we had, and Burke came in there especially because they burned myself using a soldering iron. You can't really see that. Saturday. Oh, sure, I can't remember very well. Anyway, robot there. They got sort of temporary storage right now. I don't think it really belongs there. Drill press, table saw, which I haven't used yet. Wire storage, got that recently. Here's the car portable French socket set. It was like ratchet socket set. And I've got another break here. Very new, couldn't have got that. So more part storage here. Then the battery cart. And this is a TV we're borrowing for now. Over there will be that's kind of our event TV. But they got the stands there. You get TV for that and put a Raspberry Pi there. Laptops there. not permanently attached chargers, fortunately. Had it all done up nicely, then we had to take them off. Laser cutter, I think it's CO2 powered. Fire extinguisher for that cutter. Some arts and craft stuff here. Got a copier we haven't ever used. And Miss Taylor right there, who's our leader. And then that's kind of our administrative area. And just kind of mosquito storage there. So, all in all, I don't think it's a bad room. But in Christmas, we plan on moving to a room way down that way. So we'll see. We plan, or I hope we can do moving video. That may or may not happen. But there's a room.